My name is Callum Curtis. I go to Case Western Reserve University and I study computer science. My role at LayerZero has been as a software engineering intern. I'm seeing real issues, real bug reports from customer service representatives in the field. The thing that keeps me excited to return to LayerZero is honestly the people. Over my 2 previous terms, I've always enjoyed talking to the people at LayerZero. I got to help out the mechanical engineering team. They had a plugin for Solid Edge that had stopped working between updates, and I was able to go over and help them work out the problems and get it running on their new system. This internship gives what you put in back out, so if you want to step up, take on responsibility, then the employees and the managers are very willing to have you take on that responsibility. Over the time that I've been here, the software team has doubled in size and the production quantity has gone way up. I think that if there's a company that deserves to be having good success right now, it should be LayerZero, so I'm glad to be here.